Hey, it's Wes and welcome to DinkLife. Today I wanted to do a review on the Travel Pack 3 by AER. It's a very nice backpack, a little on the bigger side. You can use it as a carry-on though. The AER Travel Pack 3 costs $249. This is a 35-liter bag. The dimension of this bag is 21.5 by 13 by 9 inches. I've had this backpack now for about a year. I've used it traveling all over the place on many plane flights and then road trips. It's made out of the same very durable, water-resistant material, water-resistant zippers. It's still kind of like a stiff fabric. I think it's made out of like a boat sail. Overall, this is a great bag. I've been loving it. I would highly suggest this bag. It is on the pricey side, but this is a bag that you buy and it lasts for a while. Now, just so you can see a few shots of what the bag looks like on, I do like to use the chest strap a lot. You can actually get a waist strap for it, take a lot of weight off of you. This is kind of what it looks like, though how wide it looks and how far it sticks away from my back and everything. But just so you can check out, there it is. And here you go. It's a nice bag overall. Feels nice, especially with the strap. You can adjust some of these straps too, just to kind of adjust the load on your shoulders and everything. So now let's take a look on the inside of this bag and see what all the storage compartments look like. Let's check out all the pockets on this bag. So first, let's check out the front pocket. This one's just a small pocket with some clips so you can hook some like your keys on it or whatnot. Also, I kind of stick I'll put my sunglasses up there. I still have some masks from COVID in here. It's a nice little pocket for quick access stuff. Also on the side, there's a spot for your water bottle. There's another handle here. They do like to put lots of handles on their bag and lots of adjustments so you can smash down the sides a little bit. Let's check out the front pockets. So here's the very front main pocket. It zips open very wide so you can get to everything. I keep just all my charging cords in here. I got a pocket for that. I got another battery in here. I'll keep my Steam Deck cable down there. There's a decent amount of room underneath there. Keep some notes, nail clippers, chapstick, pens. I got a mouse in here. Got a boardable hard drive to keep video backups. I'll keep paper printouts of tickets and stuff for the trip in here too. It's a great bag. And then I think I also have, oh yeah, some liquid IV down there. Liquid IV is always handy when you're on vacation. Yeah, and then a Studio Ghibli little hand towel there to dry your hands off with. But that's everything that's inside my front pocket right there. Now let's go to the second pocket set down. This one's also, you can zip pretty much all the way, so you can open it up completely. This one actually has enough room in it. I'll take some of this stuff out. You can pack a extra change of clothes I'll usually put in here. I have my toiletry bag right here. And then in here, inside here, I keep some extra SD cards. It's a nice little zipper pocket. Another cool hidden pocket on this bag right here is in this one. There's a little spot so you can put an Apple AirTag or any kind of AirTag brand you want there. Kind of hidden and concealed. There's also a nice little pocket in here that you can stick some stuff to. Also on the top right here is a nice soft line pocket inside. I got just a glasses towel. I usually put my AirPods in there too. It's a nice pocket for stuff like that. Now on the other side of the bag, there is a pocket here and another handle, which is nice. And then this one, I keep some medicine. I keep another thing of cough drops. Always like to have cough drops on me. Then last but not least is the laptop pocket in the back. This one doesn't zip down as far, but I have pretty much all my cables that I need to charge. Everything's inside here. Then there's two little pocket dividers here. And then I have my MacBook Air right down up in there. And then there's another pocket back down there that you could put like a iPad if you wanted to. But that's pretty much this AER bag. Great quality bag. Haven't had any issues with it.